Dear students, welcome to this third session on combinational logic and 14th session of DLD course. First, we will complete our previous example, that is on BCD to XS3 code converter using a systematic way. So we reach up to the K-map. We have simplified the Boolean expression and we will have a gate level circuit. Then after, another example on combinational logic design is discussed, that is magnitude comparator. For the case of two numbers with 4 bits, total number of bit inputs will be 8 and total number of output in this condition is 3, a greater than b, a less than b, or a equal b. So in this case of 8 number of inputs, it will be difficult to use a K-map. So over here we can follow the algorithmic approach. We can think on algorithmic way and accordingly we can derive the Boolean expression for these three outputs, a greater than b, a less than b, or a equal to b. That is the expected output of magnitude comparator. Then after we will have two more examples on combinational logic design for the code converter, that is binary to gray code converter and gray to binary code converter. Using K-map we can have the Boolean expression and gate level circuit. You can compare the result with the way which we discussed earlier for this kind of code conversion. Thank you.